Hi everyone, for today's video I would like to show you how to unlock your privacy doorknob. So this is a door level right here, and you can see this is just a hole right here, and on the other side is a lock, a twist lock. So you have two types. Some of them have the twist type and the other one is just a push knob right there. So if you accidentally lock the inside and close the door, for me the easiest to open it is by using a flathead screwdriver. So the trick is finding a flathead screwdriver that will fit into this hole. Or if you don't have a flathead screwdriver, just look for a paper clip. So I used a large paper clip, and if you can see here right now, I actually shaped it like this so that it will fit into the hole, and at the end I just crossed it so that I have leverage to twist it in and out. Okay, so if you have a push type, all you need to have is something that will fit into this hole, and basically you just fill that and push it in. So there's gonna be a small mechanism inside that you can push in, and this is going to pop up. Okay, but if you have the twist type, then it becomes a little harder because you need to actually control it, twist it in and out. So let me show you how to do it if you have a twist type. So I have this flathead screwdriver, and I'm gonna fill it right here. So the mechanism is right in the center. Okay, and if you can see my screwdriver, it actually is just about an inch. So if you push it in and you go all the way in over an inch, then you pass it. Yeah, then you miss the latch. Okay, so you want to make sure you're centered, and you want to fill that groove so that you can twist the lock. So I'll show you this. Let me go ahead and put it in the middle. So if you can watch this right now, I can twist it in and out. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you from this side. Okay, so if you have a paper clip, so what you do is you want to try to fill it. Okay, so let's see if I can fill that groove right here. There you go. There you go. Sorry. See, I keep losing it, but I was able to open it earlier. There you go. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel. Thank you for watching.